Hi, I'm Saya, and this is my life after graduation. 5 days after returning from our 6-month internship in Thailand, we found ourselves donning graduation caps and gowns. And just like that, we were officially unemployed. You're probably wondering what's next after graduation. Truth is, so am I. It's a journey we are all embarking on together. And as we navigate this new chapter, let's remember to enjoy life along the way.
Kaya ng coco mo?
Oo, grabe ka lang.
Okay. Go, go, go. Ang bigat to eh.
Isa pa! Yay!
Ganda. Hey.
Caitlin Ella Yalong Abad.
Caitlin Ella Yalong Abad, magna cum laude. Princess.
Ayaw niya pang huli. Masipag ka pero may pagkatamad din. Wala oh. May pagkabayas siya. Sino?
William. Ah, pupunta ka ng minuli na ka.
Ngene? Parang
Oo.
ikaw si Mama, magna cum laude na ako. Tapos nung tinatawag yung mga summa cum laude. Hindi! Nung tinatawag yung mga summa cum laude, ganito siya. Hindi. Wait lang. Game. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Heart tayo, Mama. Tayong dalawa.
So, good morning everyone. Today is June 3. Today is June 3 and magji-gym tayo. So, first time kong ulit mag-gym dito sa Tarlac. Kasi hindi ko na maalala yung kailan ako last nag-gym dito sa Tarlac kasi ang gym ko halos sa Angeles nung nag-aaral pa. So, today, we'll try this perfume. So, binigay ito nung mama ni Carl. It is the David of Cool Water Human. EDT. So, medyo cool yung scents niya. Kaya, feel ko okay naman siya pag pinagpawisan ka. Konti lang. I'm using this serum tint oil by For You Too. Wala nang ganito sa Pinas. Dapat pala nag-hoard na ko. Nasa Thailand ako. This is my life after grad. we're on the way sa gym. Kasi, I want, like, before ako maghanap ng work, I want to be physically ready. I want to be physically, emotionally, mentally, spiritually, emotionally ready. So,
Wait. What do you like about this girl? I mean, there's like a lot of things. I'd probably start with.
I like the way she smiles. She got me staring for a while. Got me staring for a while. Yeah. Baby, it's our conversation. She's my favorite notification. She knows how to dress for special occasions. She got me thinking life could be better. These songs start to feel like love letters. I should tell her now, would I ever? It is what it is, man, whatever. Whatever, yeah, whatever. I'm telling you now.
Gabat ting suggest na yung kay Google.
Wala din ito. Bagong daan din.
Hindi, bago.
I beg you, don't embarrass me, motherfucker. Huwag mo man. Ayun, drink.
Yan ang welcome drink. Next.
Ito. Walang CR. Hindi tayo
Ay, sorry.
Bahagi, ang hirap ang tubig. Kala ko naman.
Aesthetic.
Apo, mainit.
I want it in the worst ways, oh baby. The shame that we don't operate well, baby. Cause you're bad for my health. I swear you go to hell, take the L. I don't wanna see you swell no more. And you might be the death of me now, baby. But we don't want no homicide now, do we? And shooting my soul so loud. Are you happy now? Cause I really hate you. Cause you made me so blue. And I promise to God I'll cut you off. But I really need you. And I really don't want to, yeah. But we'll keep playing games till you fuck off.
Good morning.
Good morning. What's in your hair?
Socks curl.
Socks girl.
Now we show.
Ano Anong binili mo? Ay, natakot sa aso. Wala namang aso. Ano pong binili mo?
Kape ko, black.
Kopi ko black tsaka magic syrup.
No, there's no more saving face. You gon' pay with pain. I just taste the fame and all my fans, they hate your name. You can't leave me in the next life and the next one again. Cause I really
Ito yung isa din mo binalik.
Pero ako lang, ginawa ko, tinupi ko. Oo, tinupi ko sa kulot kay Jazz. Mapamaraan ka. Siyempre, di. Kulot ako sa mga. O, diba? Oo. Oo.
Kuya, baka maiwan ka ha? Dali mo lang yung pagkain dito tapos sa ano.
Noodle 5, 4,000 minimum. Gawin natin 12,000.
Abi ka, 50,000 niya ba naman?
Di ba alam yung laban mong gamot?